Hi, everyone, and welcome back to English Grammar for Adults. We have finally done it. We've made it out of Unit 1 and into Unit number 2, which is all about nouns. But before we get started with our first question, I want to let you know I'm going to get a haircut. Don't worry, I promise you, I'll cut my hair. It's really long. I can't comb it up. It looks silly, but it's okay. Let's get back to our lesson, okay? So, what is a noun? Well, I wrote a lot here, but I want you to remember four simple things. Really, it's simple, I promise. Person, place, thing, or idea. See? Four little things. Person, place, thing, idea. We learn these as kids in school in America, so I'll teach you too. First, nouns as things. I hit my hand on the table. That was uncomfortable. Ouch. Nouns as things, right? We can have living things like a cat, a dog, a tree, or we could have non living things, right? Like a mountain, rock, water. I hope water's not living. That'd be weird. There's a lot of water. It could get us all. So we have living things and we have non living things. We also have something written down here at the bottom. Nouns are tangible objects. Well, tangible just means you can touch it, okay? I can touch my phone, so it's tangible. Intangible would be like things you can't touch, things that exist, like ideas. Can't touch love, right? Can't touch happiness. Sadness. No, I'm just kidding. You can't touch sadness either. How about nouns as names or places? Okay. So let's look at this right here. We have an example. We have New York City. That's a place, but it's also a name. Yeah, it's a name. Or Mount Everest. That's the name of a mountain. That's a thing too. So see, these are all nouns too. Names are specific nouns. So what do we do with a specific noun? We make it big. We capitalize the first letter, okay? That's how we know it's important. Okay, they can also be a single noun or a compound noun. So think of this like Paris, okay? Paris is one word, capitalized P. Did I make an R? I just drew an R. Why? Why did I do that? Paris. What was that? Focus. I'm back with you. Don't worry. So, a big P, right? Paris. Or we could have compound nouns like New York City. There's three words that make up that name. Okay? Don't be alarmed. If it's a name, capitalize every letter in the name. First letter. Yeah. Now, nouns as ideas. Like I said before, intangible things are the ideas. We can't touch them. But they're still things like love, happiness, freedom, courage, justice. I don't know what's wrong with me. Okay, they're ideas, they're things that we can't touch, but they're still nouns. Cool? I think you've got this. So let's practice our checkup. Ready? Underline each noun in the sentence below. That's it, right? Yeah. Wow, starting off hard today. Okay? Pause the video, underline each noun, and we'll check it when we get back. Ready? Pause it. You pause that video. I trust you by now. You're very experienced. Let's take a look at number 1, okay? Maria loves playing the piano. Well, Maria is a name, underline, and piano is a thing. I can touch it. It's tangible. Number 2, the beach is my favorite place. I love the beach. The beach is a place. It's a place I can go to. I can touch the sand. It's a thing. And my favorite what? A place. We're talking about it as an idea there. It's a thing. Place is a thing. Cool. Number 3, laughter can brighten your day. Unless it's an evil, scary clown, then it's horrifying. But in this sentence, laughter is a thing. And day is a thing too. Number 4, my dreams are full of adventures. Running away from the laughing clown. Dreams are the noun, And adventures is a noun too. Number 5, honesty is the best policy. It is. It is. Honesty is an idea, right? It's that intangible thing. So we can't touch it, but it's still a thing. And policy, it's another intangible thing. Okay? It's a concept, it's an idea. Number 6, we celebrated under the starry sky. Sky is pretty much the only noun there. Cool. Can't touch it, but it's there. Promise. I promise. It's a real thing. Exercise number 1. This is a weird lesson, right? But I think it's easy. So I hope you're having fun. Let me know. Okay. Decide on the noun type. Oh, this is a little bit more interesting. Remember, we said it before. Person, place, thing, or idea. That's what I want you to do. Look at it and tell me which of the 4 it is. Pause the video. You paused that video. I know you did. I almost took a drink, but you did that so fast I didn't. So I'm still thirsty, but it's okay. Let's take a look at our answers. Number 1, a beach. Place. Number 2, teacher. Person. Number 3, love. Idea. Number 4, book. That's a thing. Number 5, courage. Another idea. Can't touch it, but it's there. And Paris. Number 6, Paris. That's a place, right? It's a capital P because it's a proper noun. Cool. That was easy too, wasn't it? So easy, we can go on to exercise number 2. Yes. So, sentences with conjunctions. Conjunctions? I thought we were learning about nouns. Review. Underline each conjunction and circle or highlight or underline, whatever you want. Not underline, because we underline the conjunctions. Circle or box. There you go. Or highlight or something. Do something else to find all the nouns, okay? Pause the video. Did you pause that video? I think you paused the video. You did. So let's take a look at the answers. Number 1, Maria and her brother went to the zoo. Well, first, conjunction. Underline the and, right? So now let's look for our nouns. Maria, it's a name. Brother, person. Zoo, place. Number 2, the dog chased the ball and it rolled away. Conjunction, and. What are we talking about? A dog. What's the dog doing? Chasing that ball. Okay. Number 3, the tree in the garden is tall and sturdy. Ooh. Tree. Oh, we forgot the conjunction. I keep hitting the table. Ouch. That's twice. That's twice in one lesson. Huh. First, conjunction. And. Now let's go back and do the noun. Tree. Tree. Garden. Yeah, tree. Got excited when I saw tree. Number 4, conjunction. My favorite colors are blue and green. Conjunction and. See, I got it. Now, what are the nouns? Colors, blue and green. Cool. And number 5, she bought a cake and it was delicious. What's our conjunction? And. They're all and. And the noun. What's the noun? Cake. I didn't get excited about cake. I got excited about tree. But not the cake. I don't know why. Cool. We've got this down. Now, what's next? Exercise number 3. Yay. This one shouldn't be as hard, I think. You're ready for it either way. So I trust you. I believe in you. Here is a paragraph full of nouns. Find them all. Find them, circle them, underline them, do what you have to do, okay? But find all the nouns and pause the video, okay? Pause it. You paused it, so now let's check it. You ready? Here we go. Yesterday I visited New York City, a bustling metropolis with skyscrapers that touched the clouds. Big sentence, big nouns. New York City, metropolis, skyscrapers, and clouds. It was a heavy sentence. In the heart of the city, I met an inspiring artist who painted vibrant murals on old buildings. Ooh, another big sentence. But heart, city, artist, murals, and building. Well, that was even more nouns. Like, why do I keep hitting the table? I feel like maybe I'm too close. Am I too close? There was a lot of nouns in that sentence. Okay, so let's keep going. His imagination was boundless, and his work conveyed a deep sense of freedom. Wow. Imagination, work, sense of freedom. Yeah. As we strolled through Central Park, I noticed families having picnics, children playing, and musicians sharing their music with the crowd. I wonder what the nouns were. Central Park, families, picnics, children, musicians, music, crowd. Wow, there's 7 nouns in that sentence. That's a big one. The whole atmosphere was filled with joy. Oh, little one. Atmosphere, joy. Can't touch joy, but it's still a noun. After that, I enjoyed a delicious meal at a quaint Italian restaurant where I savored a slice of pizza topped with fresh ingredients. I ran out of air. That's a big one. Atmosphere. Wait, no, not atmosphere. Meal. I got lost. It was a big one. Meal, restaurant, slice, pizza, ingredients. Wow. And it was a day filled with adventure and unforgettable memories. Sounds like it. I remember all my pizzas. Oh, the nouns. Day, adventure, memories. Yeah. And pizza. I don't know. I hope this lesson was easy. I hope you had a good time learning all about nouns and finding a lot of nouns. That was a lot of nouns in that paragraph, but you found them all. I know you did. You're smart. So I will see you for the next lesson with shorter hair, I hope. I've been lazy. I've been lazy, but I'll cut my hair and then I can style it up like this and be cool again. Yeah. I'll see you for the next lesson, all right? Remember, you're awesome.